Hi there. Are you ready to conquer the IELTS speaking test? Let's make it happen with these game-changing tips. Practice, practice, practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Grab a study buddy or join a speaking group to sharpen your skills. Nail your introductions. Start strong with a clear introduction. Smile, speak clearly, and greet the examiner warmly. It sets the tone for a great conversation. Expand your vocabulary. Spice up your answers with a range of vocabulary. You can impress the examiner by showcasing your linguistic flair. Stay relevant. Listen carefully to the questions and answer them directly. To ensure clarity and coherence, avoid moving off topic. Embrace fluency. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Focus on maintaining a steady flow of speech, even if you stumble. Fluency counts. Master your time management. Keep an eye on the clock during your test. Practice pacing yourself to cover all questions within the allocated time. Be confident. Believe in yourself. Confidence is key to delivering a fantastic performance. Stand tall, speak confidently, and own that speaking test. You've got this. Remember, preparation is the key to success. Drop a message in the comments if you're ready to ace your IELTS speaking test.